5 necessary phases to overcome a breakup. When will I overcome this? It is the question that distresses many people. In fact, more than the breakup itself, people are afraid of never overcoming it. When a couple breaks up, the person experiences a series of phases or stages that can mix or overlap each other. The important thing is to know that to complete the healing process you have to experience them all. Phase 1, Denial. You do not accept the breakup. You are unable to control your emotions, which are very varied and confusing. You are not in a position to make important decisions, and sleep and appetite may be altered. A common mistake in this phase: beg the other person, losing self-respect and doing things that you can later regret. Phase 2, Hopelessness. You feel depressed, you have your self-esteem on the floor, and you haven't still adapted to the new situation. You are misplaced, you neither expect nor feel anything. You start to have catastrophic thoughts: nobody is going to love me. I will never find anyone the same. You do not want to leave home or have a social life, which can cause the depressive state to lengthen. A common mistake in this phase: self-deceiving. To think that everything is a nightmare and that you will soon wake up and everything will return to normal. Phase 3, Anxiety. You idealize your former partner, you think it was perfect. You feel guilty and take responsibility for the breakup. You only remember the good times, and at this stage, it is usually customary to start talking about it with colleagues and family. A common mistake in this phase: try to maintain contact with the former partner. Phase 4, Acceptance. The goodbye. Although it seems that the worst has happened, is the most difficult phase of the process. Not only do you have to accept that the relationship is over, but also recover the energy you invested in it. Free yourself completely. Increased risk in this phase: resign yourself. Let yourself go passively without motivation to move on. Phase 5, Overcoming. You start to resume the rhythm of your life. There are more happy days than sad, and you focus again on yourself and your own needs. It is as if you learn to walk again after having been in bed for a year. The person is prepared to go back into the world, but needs to rebuild self-confidence and self-esteem. One last tip: everything in life happens for a reason. Do not cling to what you will not be able to have again. Let what you deserve to come to you. If you do not overcome your past, you will never be able to enjoy your present. Learn how to get a man to love you. Click or tap the link on or below this video to download this free ebook.